How are you? Welcome to my English channel. Today we will practice for 10 minutes. I will answer some questions. First, the questions will be easy and then they will become more difficult. Are you ready? Good. Let's begin. 1. What is your name? My name is Gemma. 2. Where were you born? I was born in England. 3. How old are you? I am 30 years old. 4. Where are you from in England? I am from London. 5. Do you have any brothers and sisters? Yes, I have one sister. She is younger than me. She is 27 years old. And I have 2 step siblings. 1 step brother and 1 step sister. 6. What is your favourite colour? My favourite colour is blue. I like blue because my eyes are blue. I like the sea, and the sea is blue. And, well, the English flag has some blue too. And I like my country. 7. What is your favourite film? My favourite film is Shrek. I like Shrek because it's funny, it has a beautiful message, and I just think it's perfect in every way. When I was younger, I memorised all of the words to Shrek. So I know Shrek very, very well. I think I've watched Shrek about 200 times. A lot. I'm losing count now. What number am I? Okay, maybe I'll put the numbers on the screen. Next question. What is my favourite book? I don't really have a favourite book, but I really like a book called The Curious Incident of the Dog at Nighttime by Mark Haddon. It's a British author and it's about a young boy who has autism and he is growing up and he has problems in his family, and it's about him understanding himself. It's about him growing up, and it's a very beautiful book, and it's very funny as well. I like that it's funny but also serious and speaks about a real life family. It shows how complicated families are. Next, do I have a job? Yes, well, currently I work freelance and I teach English online. I teach English on a digital platform called Preply. Next, do you like coffee or tea? Well, I'm British, so obviously I like tea. We drink lots of tea here in England. Tea is delicious. I do also like coffee. My favourite coffee is called a dirty chai, and I really recommend it. Basically, it's like a flat white, and then they add in some chai, so it's kind of sweet but with coffee flavour as well, and I'm addicted to that drink. It's so good. Next, what is your favourite food? My favourite food, well, I think my favourite food is tacos. When I lived in Mexico, I ate a lot of tacos. My favourite taco is taco al pastor, which is, I believe it's pork. It's the one which is very popular in Mexico City. They give you some pineapple on the top, and they are amazing because you have spice, you have acid from the lime, you have the grease from the meat, and just incredible. Just incredible. I want a taco now. Next question. Do you like sweet or savoury food? Well, I like both, but I really, really like sweet food. All of my friends know that chocolate is the way to my heart. I love chocolate. It's hard for me not to eat chocolate every day. It's really hard. My favourite chocolate is Kinder Bueno. Yep, it's delicious. Next, what's your favourite drink? Well, for me, I don't really drink alcohol anymore, but I think my favourite drink is probably hot chocolate. As I said, I love chocolate. Next question. What are your favourite hobbies? For me, my favourite hobbies are speaking Spanish. I love speaking Spanish. I learned Spanish when I lived in Mexico, and I think it's a beautiful language. Recently, I started to play badminton, and I really enjoy the sport. I play every Sunday, and yeah, it's really fun. And another hobby, I like photography, so sometimes I take photos. Yeah, I like photography. Do you have a hidden talent? My hidden talent is I'm really good at table football. When I was younger, I played table football at my nursery, and I played every day with the manager, and he was very good, so I am I'm pretty good. I'm pretty good. What is your favourite city in the world? Well, I think London is a great city. It's very unique. There's modern things, old things. The music culture here is amazing. There are old pubs. The people are really open-minded. I also like Mexico City. The food in Mexico City is amazing. The weather is sunny. and the people are friendly. Yeah. So London and Mexico City, definitely. Have you ever lived in another country? Yes. So I lived in Mexico for about 3 years, and it was a great experience. I love Mexican culture and Mexican people, and I have a special place in my heart for Mexico. Can you speak a bit of Spanish? Yeah, I guess. What can I say? Pues, hola, mi nombre es Gemma, tengo 30 años, vivo en Londres y antes vivía en México. Soy profesora de inglés y me gusta hablar español, me gusta convivir con mis amigos y me gusta el deporte. Mi palabra favorita en español es, bueno, me gusta mucho una frase que es como que soñé contigo, porque en inglés no la decimos así, decimos I dreamed about you, pero en español es I dreamed with you. Y siento que es una frase muy íntima y sí, me gusta esa frase, no sé por qué. Okay, back to English. Who is your favorite musician? Well, that's difficult because I love lots of different types of music. But I think I would say I like a band called Keane. This band. This is a British band, and they have some famous songs called Somewhere Only We Know, and This Is the Last Time. Their music is beautiful. I also really like Zoe, and that is a Mexican band. I really like their MTV Unplugged album. I think it's beautiful. And, well, I really like jazz music. I listen to jazz music a lot. Jazz music is really relaxing for me. My favourite jazz musicians are, I like a man called Paul Desmond, and I like Bill Evans, Chet Baker, and yeah, they're my favourite musicians. Do you do any sports? Yes, I do sports. I do badminton. I also do sports at home. I have a yoga mat and I do workouts with weights or I do yoga. Next, how is the weather today? Well, the weather today here in London is really, really nice. It's very sunny. I'll show you. Next, when is your birthday? My birthday is in December. My birthday is December the 16th, 1995. Next, do you prefer mornings or evenings? For me, I prefer mornings. I mean, I like to wake up early, At the moment, I wake up about 7:30, and I feel good when I wake up early. I don't go out late at night too much. Yeah, because I like to be in bed. Next, are you an introvert or an extrovert? I'm definitely an introvert. I like my own time. Well, I like spending time with my friends. My friends are very important. But I need time to be alone, to have time to have energy again. Next, what do you do on the weekend? Well, it depends. Last weekend, what did I do? Well, I went to see my sister at the pub with my family. We ate a delicious roast dinner. That is a typical dish that we eat in England every Sunday. Then I played badminton, and on Saturday I taught English at a school in West London, and then I came home and I relaxed. I was tired. And I also listened to lots of Mexican music because I wanted to dance in my room. Okay, that's the end of the questions. I hope you found this video useful, and well done for coming today. Hopefully I see you again soon. All right, bye. Have a lovely day.